First time na lumabas kayo as a couple.
As a couple.
How does it feel?
Nervous.
Paano kayo nagkakilala?
Sa New York, at taon, yung isang abogado ng father ko, kaklase niya at kaibigan na kaibigan niya.
In Ateneo.
Oo, sa Ateneo.
The better school.
Sinugod namin sa apartment niya sa New York. Mga 11 o'clock ng gabi na yun.
Uninvited.
Uninvited. Ayun, doon kami nagkakilala.
So that was it. Was it love at first sight?
No.
Ganun ka. Anong una niyong impression sa kanya?
Hindi yata maganda.
Siyempre naman, kabila akong di ba, parang sino to?
On the other fence.
The other fence. So, siyempre, it wasn't love at first sight. Let me put it that way. But then little by little, we got to know each other. And then we became friends.
Yeah.
Then he
Yeah.
fell in love with me. I think the best the gift he gave, yung alam ko na may crush na sa akin, was tapa.
So in other words, parang na-inlove kayo sa kanya dahil sa tapa.
Dahil sa tapa.
Parang ganyan.
Biro
Cheap
mo.
ko, no? Grabe.
Biro mo.
When did the proposal happen?
I remember, hinabol-habol pa kita sa Hong Kong eh.
Nag-hard to get to Hong
Oh,
Kong.
di ba?
Oo. So naman, hikan muna ako. Pinuntahan ko yung parents niya. Ito, here, because, fallen in love with your daughter. Yung father na nakatingin sa akin, tawa ng tawa. Parang